Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, where was the second Buddhist council held? Answer, Boisali. The second Buddhist council was held at Boisali. Next, what was the name of Shoshanko's capital? Answer, Karno Suborno. Okay, Karno Suborno. Karno Suborno was the name of Shoshanko's capital. Next very important question. Introduced the system of Kobuliot and Patta. Who introduced? Answer, Shersaho. Shersaho introduced the system of Kobuliot and Patta. Next, the capital of Samudragupta was. Answer, friends, comment this answer in the comment box. Okay, I will wait for your comment. The capital of Samudragupta was. You have to comment this answer. Okay, next. Who was the court poet of Pulkesi II? Answer, Ravi Kirti. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of Pulkesi II. Next, very important question. In which year was the Home Rule League established? Answer, 1916. The Home Rule League was established in 1916. Next, in which year was the Treaty of Amritsar signed? Answer, 1809. The Treaty of Amritsar was signed in 1809. Next, very important question. The editor of the evening newspaper was. Answer, Brahmabandhav Upadhyay. The editor of the evening newspaper was Brahmabandhav Upadhyay. Next, in what year was Wood's instruction published? Answer, 1854. The Wood's instruction was published in 1854. Next, very important question. In what year was the Prayer Society established? Answer, 1867. The Prayer Society was established in 1867. Next, the first battle of Panipat took place in. Answer, between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. The first battle of Panipat took place between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Next, Lakshman Sen's guest poet was. Answer, Joydev. Joydev was Lakshman Sen's guest poet. Okay. Next, who was the editor of Amrit Bazar Patrika? Answer, Shishir Kumar Ghosh. Shishir Kumar Ghosh was the editor of Amrit Bazar Patrika. Next, very important question. In what year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer, 1919. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919. Next, in what year did the Manvantar of 76 take place? Answer, 1770. The Manvantar of 76 took place in 1770. Next, the founder of the Gupta dynasty was. Sri Gupta. The founder of the Gupta dynasty was Sri Gupta. Next, in what year was the Wavell Plan created? Answer, 1945. The Wavell Plan was created in 1945. Next, in which year was the Treaty of Mangalore signed? Answer, 1784. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed in 1784. Next, The first Governor General of Bengal was? Answer, Warren Hastings. The first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. Next. Next very important question. When was Sadler Commission formed? Answer, 1917. The Sadler Commission was formed in 1917. Okay. Friends, in this video I have already discussed 20 questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge. And friend, if you want to get another video, you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can watch any kind of video. Friends, you can also subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification of the next video. Thank you for watching my video.